This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Satisfactory multiplayer. Getting your friends into your factory world is surprisingly straightforward. Satisfactory allows up to 4 pioneers to collaborate, building and expanding together. The simplest way to connect is by using the built-in invite features available through either the Epic Games Store or Steam. Just make sure everyone has the exact same game version installed for a smooth experience. To host a game, first launch Satisfactory and either start a brand new world or load up one of your existing save files. Once you're in your factory, hit the Escape key to bring up the in-game menu. From there, navigate to the Manage Session option. You'll then see a button to invite friends. Click that, and you can send invitations directly to your pals through your platform's friend list. If you're the one joining, the process is just as simple. The easiest way is to simply accept the game invitation that your friend sends you directly through the Epic Games Store or Steam overlay. If that doesn't work, you can also launch Satisfactory, go to the main menu, and select Join Game. You should then see your friend's session listed among the available multiplayer games, ready for you to jump in. To make your multiplayer experience even better, clear communication is key. Talk to your teammates about your factory plans, resource needs, and what areas you're working on. Many pioneers find it helpful to assign specific tasks or even entire sections of the factory to each player. And remember, always save your game frequently. This ensures everyone's hard work is preserved, preventing any frustrating loss of progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.